back to my channel. I'm so excited for today's video because I'm doing something I have not done in such a long time. And it just feels so good to be back in the swing of things with YouTube. I feel like I was afraid of YouTube and I felt like such a failure. Now I'm over that. I'm just like, who cares? I'm making these videos for me anyway. So I'm excited to just dive right in. For this video, I am doing a Meshki haul. So if you follow me on Instagram, you know that I love Meshki. I don't even know how I found Meshki, but maybe they just found me, okay? I swear I'm always wearing a new top from them because they create very good quality clothing that looks fantastic on me. I'm short, I'm curvy, I've got a badonkadonk, and their clothing is made to fit that body style. It's also on trend, it's very chic, it's very minimalistic. I've gotta sneeze. They have staple pieces that just never go out of style. I mean, for example, like this set is literally from Meshki. I've had it for about a year and I'm obsessed. Like, I love these shorts. They're so comfortable. The quality is insane. That's what I like in my loungewear is like good quality. I don't have to go shopping for it ever again. It's probably gonna be in my drawer for a few years, and this has proven to be that. Plus, this top is so versatile. I could wear this with a pair of jeans. I've done that before for fall. Slick back bun and the gold accessories, it's just perfect. So I literally love Meshki. I think over half of my wardrobe is now Meshki, and I'm okay with that 100%. There's 14 pieces here. I kid you not, I spent hundreds, maybe even like in the thousands, probably, honestly, and I don't want to talk about that, of my own money on Meshki, and I just continued to tag them in all my content videos, in my posts, my photos, and stories, and I was like, listen, I don't know if you guys can tell yet, but I'm obsessed with you.
Why are you so obsessed with me?
I'm gonna need a collaboration to happen as soon as possible. Thank you.
Thank you.
And they finally responded. They were like, yes, we would love to. So the PR girl, Sabrina, I love you. If you're watching this, I love you. Thank you literally so much for taking care of me. I'm so happy about this. Let's get started. I haven't tried anything on. This is gonna be a first impression for all of us. So let's do it. What are you doing?
Just walked into my gate.
Okay, I have an outfit to show you. You ready? Can you see?
Yeah.
I know how you feel about this, but I'm just gonna pass it through you first. There's no way I'm wearing this outfit and the caption is not gonna be, it's giving hot Cheeto.
The funny thing is, I was literally gonna get you an outfit that was just like that.
Wait, for real?
I like it. Right?
Alright, bye.
But
First outfit is amazing. This bodysuit is so different than any other bodysuit I've ever put on because it's literally just straight like this. I think if I was taller, this would probably fit a little bit better because you'd be able to see the straps, but because I am 5'2", the straps are right there on the waist. But these pants, you guys, zero stretch in these pants, but they fit me. There's a little floof in here. These fit me so well. Look. Oh, this is the floof. And there's no stretch. As I said, like, this is the reason why I love Meshki. They cater to curves. And you can still have super trendy clothing and it still fits you. So this is the split leg detail. Super cute. They are long on me, but everything is long on me. I literally get everything tailored. This is so nice. I think they will pass the sit-down test. I'm wondering what a medium would fit like just because they're pulling. You can see the pulling right here. And I wonder if a medium would fit a little bit better. But the small is pretty great. So very happy with these. Very happy with the bodysuit. Very happy with the pants. Let's move on. Okay, I really don't know if we're bringing all of the 2000s trends back, but if we are, can we do this? Because this just made this outfit significantly hotter. This is probably the only low-rise bullshit I will ever with, is if it's like deliberate. Like deliberately low-rised it myself. Everything I have obviously is high-waisted, and when that happens, you can't see that strap detail. Is there a sexuality where you're just strictly attracted to yourself? It's called me-sexual because that's what I've got, and it's not a problem. Okay, this is hot. I'm surprised. Like, I don't shop at Meshki on a regular basis, but this is hot. What? Honestly, the quality of this is better than I thought it would be. It feels thin, but when it's on, the way that it's been lined, it's actually perfect. This is great because it's a sweater material, but this is something that's light enough to wear now in the summertime. I love that these straps are adjustable. Currently adjusting them right now. I have a small in every everything, by the way. So if you're like, what size is she? Everything I have is a small. These, again, are too long. It's okay. I am just such a shorty. So this is another thing that I will have to get hemmed, but love this. So comfortable, too. This is literally a very light sweater material. It is so comfy on my whole body. My butt looks amazing, of course. I love this top too. I could wear it by itself with just a pair of jeans and it would be so cute. It's so, so comfortable. This is definitely a favorite outfit already. Before I change the pants, I wanted to show you guys another option. This is hot. This is a hot top. My literal only complaint is that these straps, I feel like I wish they were tighter by this much. Granted, yes, again, I am 5'2" and I have a smaller body space than everyone else, but these are also elastic, they're stretchy. So I just feel like these could have been tighter. It would have made me feel a little bit better. You know what I mean? So I'm like pulling that down to make up for this. But I'm not complaining. This is still really cute and it still looks really good. I am wearing pasties, by the way. I know my girls are gonna be like, what bra do you wear? I have pasties on. I will be linking them. I basically live in these pasties and I love them because they're skin inclusive. They're not just a nude color. They've got darker colors for all skin tones. Okay, this dress is another absolute stunner. I need to stop being surprised with Meshki because, okay, these past sweater pieces, I'm like, oh, I don't know how I'm gonna feel about these. I've been blown away both times. By the way, my Austin girls, these are UT colors. It's a burnt orange and white knit dress, pants, top. Literally, how cute is this set gonna be at the UT games? Thank you, I'm just saying. Okay, again, this is where the dress hits. I do have Spanx on. I always wear Spanx. This is a secret, by the way. When I worked at Nordstrom in the dress department, I would get women all the time. I was like, I can't wear that. I'm gonna look frumpy. I'm gonna have these. I'm gonna look lumpy everywhere. I was like, do you have a pair of Spanx? They would be like, no, my God. And I was like, honey, you just need one pair of Spanx for anything. I've worn them under jeans before. Spanx are my life. I have about 7 pairs. Over time, I've accumulated Spanx. I love Spanx. Spanx are literally what celebrities wear underneath their clothing to make them look flawless. Oh my God.
Oh my God.
This is an alter ego. I don't even know I have it. Okay, one of my favorite things that I didn't even notice until I put this on, the pant legs have this zipper detail. Look, it could be a split leg if you want it to be. Isn't that crazy? Zippers on this mesh see-through number that is lit. Could I wear Spanx with this? Probably. They would just have to be like a low-cut Spanx because this goes low. All right, this is definitely low back. This is some Catwoman. I'ma steal the bat, the cat, and the, I don't know what it is, girl. I'm on some next level business. I don't even think I have a business wearing this out, but it's me, so yes, I do. Thank you. Best friend is trying to go back to Vegas for her birthday, which is in the summertime. So in a couple months, and I just feel like, honestly, I feel like this is Miami. This is sheer, but it's sheer in all the right places, and it's double, triple lined in some areas to where it's not see-through. It's kind of this artistic sheer, especially with this design right here on the leg. It's very futuristic. 10 out of freaking like 5. Like, it's not even 10 out of 10, it just surpasses that. I love this. This dress is one of my favorite dresses, simply because it's so unique, so different. The way that it's cut so randomly, but also still in such a sexy way, showing just a little bit of under boob right here. We've got the abs popping out. Like, it's still flattering, it's still stretchy, it's still thick. Like, this material will flatter you regardless of your size, regardless of your cellulite. It does not matter. This material is gonna make you look good. And then the way that it's just cut is so different. You're standing out without even trying. All I did was just put this over my head. I just feel like $1 million in this dress. Again, it's very flattering. Everywhere. Everywhere you look, you know I look good. I don't know. See where it hits.
I said, bitch.
You guys outdid yourself with this collection. Hats off to you. No, I don't think you guys understand how excited I am for this.
Damn.
This butt is out of this world. Okay.
Please stop.
I am in heaven. I have just pasties on. I was gonna put a white bra underneath this, but I was like, I just wanna see what it looks like. Just pasties. I feel free as a bird right now. I am living my Lisa Frank alien pencil case dreams. It's so unique. It just stands out on its own. You don't even need to try. Okay, next we have the alien fit in the dress style, which I like even better. I like the ruching in the back. I think it's very flattering, considering this is just straight like damn see-through. Perfect summer dress. If you're hot, just wear this because you're basically naked. No, Meshki, you guys did amazing with this number. I love the straps on each side. That means that this is adjustable. It could go shorter, it could go longer. When it's completely untied, it hits me right mid-leg, so mid-shin. And as a petite person, something that's adjustable for my height, I very much appreciate. So thank you, Meshki. I feel like you made this with me in mind. Again, I've only got the pasties on. I have the shorts that come with this fit, and that's it. This is probably one of my favorites. I say that about every single outfit I've ever put on, but this one takes the cake. I'm recommending every single thing I put on. I feel bad for you guys because your bank accounts are going to hate me, but this looks amazing. God, I love it. Okay, almost done. Okay, we've got another asymmetrical top. This design is, I'm just obsessed with it. It's so different. It's just a staple piece and all I'm wearing is a bodysuit and a pair of jeans. But it's different than what anyone else is gonna be wearing. It stands out. That's what I like to be in general. So if my clothes can reflect that, I just feel like I'm wearing something that already has my name on it. I've already worn it, which is why there's makeup on the neck. Oops. But that's what OxyClean is for. We love to see it. This is a size small. I'm obsessed. It fits really well. It's double lined. The material is thick, not too thick. It's not hot at all. I actually wore this on a summer night last night here in Texas, and I didn't sweat in this thing at all. Granted, there's a lot of breathable holes, but it's not see-through, which I like about it because anything that's white is kind of iffy, especially if you're buying from online. You don't know what it's going to be like in person, and the fact that it is double lined. What else? I don't even know what else to tell you guys. I think this bodysuit, it just speaks for itself. I don't know if it comes in any other colors. I wish there was something in this haul that I could say I dislike with a passion, but there's nothing. I love every single piece. Y'all, I think I spoke too soon. I think I found the one fit that I don't know how I feel about it. This is that gray dress. This is a white bikini that I have on underneath. The gray dress itself is completely see-through. I don't know if this is supposed to be a shirt or a dress. And I need you to remember that I am 5'2", and this is where it is. I think maybe it's supposed to be a swimsuit cover-up. That's what I'm assuming, because it kind of gives me Pirates of the Caribbean vibes or Castaway. But I've never had something hit so short on me. On me. I am 5'2". There should be like a lot more fabric for me to work with. I feel like it kind of looks a little too much with the white. Since it's a light gray color, I can't wear a red swimsuit or a blue swimsuit underneath it. It may just be for the white and the black swimmies. I don't know. But I honestly don't see myself wearing this out in public. Like in public, like a restaurant or a bar. A pool, yeah, obviously. We're all half naked anyway, but this definitely different. Maybe size up. Yeah? Alright, lovers, that is it for the Meshki haul. Thank you guys so much for joining. I hope that you like this. I definitely plan on doing some more. My next video is going to be my Amazon favorites that have been my favorites for several years. I'm throwing in some new favorites of mine, some old favorites. Meshki, again, thank you so much for sending me these items. I cannot thank you enough. I am so excited to wear every single piece out. I love it. I love that you guys really went outside of your traditional box with these styles and these prints. You killed it. Everything is flattering, and of course it's got the chic Meshki staple to it. It looks so, so good. I am so proud of every piece, and I cannot wait to see what you guys launch next. So thank you to Meshki, and thank you guys so much for watching. Everything that I wore is linked in the description box with my favorite pair of Spanx, my pasties, and then of course all my social platforms where you can find and follow me and watch my stories on Instagram because...
I'm listening.
Not you? Oh, sorry. Cut that part out. Finn, why you gotta be dying in the background of every video? You good?
What is that?
He's hawking a loogie. He's clearing out his like nose. So, anyways, my stories are really funny. If you want to go watch them, I encourage you to do that. Okay, goodbye.